Okay guys, welcome back to math. So we are continuing with two-digit addition. Yay! Okay, everyone should flip in their math books to this page. It's page 203. So you guys should be on that page, okay? And now we're gonna do the exact same thing, but it's just using money as an example this time as opposed to our tens and ones box. But we know that a dime equals 10 cents and that a penny equals 1 cent, right? So our dime is equivalent to this. They're both equal to 10. And a penny is equivalent to this. They're both 1, right? They both equal 1. Okay, so we're gonna solve number 1. Number 1 says 33 cents plus 15 cents. Now, it doesn't have tens and ones labeled for us, but we know that the left side is tens and the right side is ones, right? From yesterday. So we know our tens box and our ones box. And we know we always start on this side and solve our ones first and then our tens. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we'll just make sure you always bring down your sign. So we have 48 cents, and that's our answer. Okay? Another way we can solve this is counting up all our coins, which we always do in the morning. So we all know how to count money, right? So we have our dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48 cents. That's number 1, okay? Number 2, I want you guys to try on your own. Same thing, you can add 3 and 1 and then 2 and 2. Remember, I want you guys to always start on this side. So add 3 plus 1 and then 2 plus 2. And then get your answer, or you can count up your dimes and your pennies and then get your answer that way too. So those are the 2 ways you guys can do it. So you're gonna do number 2 on your own. Number 3. Number 3, we're gonna just practice with it, except this time it doesn't have our coins drawn out for us, but that's okay. Number 3, 14 cents plus. So they don't have a box set up for us, but we don't need a box because we know to start here, ones. So anytime you guys get a double digit equation like this, I want you just to practice writing tens and then ones. So we know we have our tens column and our ones column right above it like I did, okay? And then you know to solve your ones first. We always do top and bottom, top plus bottom, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 2, 3. We always bring down our sign and we get 36 cents. So number 3 would be 36 cents. Now we can also do it by drawing our coins if we would like. We could do our dimes and make 14. How do we make 14? Well, we got our dime, that's 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we can make 22. So 10, 20, and then how many pennies do we need? 2. And then we can add them up all together. Remember, we count up all our dimes first and then our pennies. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Same thing, 36. So if you guys want to draw it out to help you, you guys can go like this. Dime, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, penny. I'm just putting a P in my circle so I know that those are pennies, and then a D in my circle so I know that that means dime. And then dime, I'm making 22, and then 10, 20, and then 21, 22. P. Okay, since you guys probably don't have these at home, but if you do have, like, if your parents have real coins at home and they'll let you practice with actual money, that would be fun and something you guys can do too. So you can ask your parents if maybe you can borrow some coins to help you, if that helps you. If not, you can draw it like I did, or we can just practice with our tens and ones columns, 4 and 2, 1 and 2, and add it together that way. Okay, guys? So that's number 3. I'm gonna do number 4 with you. Number 4. Okay, tens. I'm writing this in. We're solving 21 cents plus 6 cents is what? So again, add our ones column. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then 2 plus nothing is just 2. And we carry down our sign always, cents, and I get 27 cents. And that is number 4. We can also make it with money if I want to do it that way. Those are my dimes, 10, 20, and my penny, 21. And then 6 cents, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pennies. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I can draw out with my coins, or I can solve using my columns. And that's number 4, 27 cents, okay? Number 5, you're gonna do the same thing. You can add by column, and to help you guys, write tens and ones above each column. Tens column, ones column. Solve, add your top and bottom number, add your top and bottom number, top to bottom, and that gives you your answer. Or you can draw out your coins too to help you as well. So that's what you guys are gonna do for number 5 and 6 on your own. Okay. I'm gonna do number 7 with you guys, and then you guys will do number 8 on your own. Digit has 45 cents, okay? So we're gonna fill in our boxes. Digit has, in the first box, 45 cents. And now in the circle box, you're gonna put a plus sign. Plus, he found 10 cents on the ground. So he had 45 cents. I'm gonna show you, hold on. Hold on 1 second. Get my coins in order. So we had 45 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. He had 45 cents. But then he found 10 cents on the ground. He just found this on the ground. So he's gonna add it to his pile, okay? So then in this box, you're gonna put a 10 because he found 10 cents. Equals. Now, if he had 45 cents right here, and then he found another 10 cents, if I add all this together, how many cents do I have? And I'm gonna put that in my last box. Sorry, this is kind of messy. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's add our dime into it. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So in your last box, it'll say 55. And then in this box, digit has 55. Don't forget your cents sign. Digit has 55 cents now, okay? So how do I know this? How did I solve this? Well, he had 45, write in 45, plus he found 10 equals, I just added it all together. Now at home, you guys can, like I said, maybe your parents will let you use your money, or you can draw using your circles, and then you'll put a dime for dime and then a P for penny. So you're just gonna make 45, like 45, 10, 20, 30, 40 dimes. And then 5. Because remember, pennies equal 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And dimes are 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So then I have 45, right? And then 10, we just know is 10, 1 dime. And then I add all my little coins up, and I get 55, okay? So on your papers, for number 8, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Kim has 7 cents, but this time she lost 5, okay? So I'm actually gonna do number 8 with you just because it's a subtraction one, and it might be a little bit confusing. So Kim had 7 cents. So in my box, I'm gonna put 7. But she lost 5. So whenever it says lose or loss or anything like that, that means minus. And so instead of putting a plus in the circle, I'm gonna put a subtraction sign. She lost, how much did she lose? She lost 5. So how many does she have left? I'm just filling in the boxes on your paper. 7 minus 5 equals, so it should say 7 minus 5 equals blank. So she had 7 cents. 7 cents is just what? 7 pennies, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pennies. But I don't need to add any more pennies to this because she lost 5. So she had 7, but she lost 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She lost them. So now how many pennies does she have left? 2, right? So in my big box, Kim has 2 cents now. 2. Okay, why? She had 7. 7. And then, oh no, 5 fell out. She lost 5. So now she only has 2 left. So she's now left with 2 cents, okay? So we have 7 cents. Oh no, this got erased. 7 cents minus 5 cents equals 2 cents, right? So remember, when in doubt, just draw. When in doubt, just draw it out, okay? Draw out your pennies and then take it away, however many it said, and then you'll get your answer. Okay, guys? So this was a fun way to kind of review what we've been learning when adding our double digits and also reviewing adding our money. I know we practice counting money every morning, so hopefully that was a review for you guys, and maybe the last 2 were a little bit confusing with all these boxes. That's why I tried to write it out with you guys, so I hope you were able to somewhat follow along. But I want you guys to finish 5 and 6 and then number 2 on your own. Okay, guys? So that's what you guys are going to do for homework. Thanks, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.